Hi, it's Jason Strike with Real Broker, here again in my neighborhood of Point McKay. Today we're showcasing 219 Point McKay Terrace. It's unique in the fact that I actually still own a property here across the street, and I have since 1997. Let me tell you a couple of things about this property that not a lot of people know. So today we're standing in a two-story unit. The two-story units in Point McKay are quite rare. There's only about 10% of the 500 townhouses are this floor plan. And the benefit to you is you've got 700 square feet on the main floor, 725 or 750 up above, plus a fully unfinished basement that you can develop or use for storage. So your total square footage, if you developed the whole thing or lived in it, would be 2,000 square feet, which is uber rare for a riverside property. Anyways, today we'll go through and have a tour of the property. It's got a few features like newer windows, newer appliances, but it could use a little bit of an update. Anyways, we'll walk you through, and then when we're done, Eric will give you a tour of all of Point McKay via an aerial video through a drone and show you the rest of the house from top to bottom. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks. If you have any questions on Point McKay, call me direct. I live really close by. I can walk over and show it to you. Or if you'd like to see this property, I can specifically book an appointment or keep you in the loop about what's coming up, because we've got lots of exciting stuff. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now. Here we are in the living room of 219 Point McKay Terrace, and it's really, really cool. Some of the things that I enjoy about it are the fact that it's got a direct south exposure with a private green space behind it, a cozy little fireplace, hardwood floors, perfect place to have a nap or just hang out with the kids and watch a movie. Here we are in the master bedroom. We've got a north exposure, which is great for not having a ton of sun late in the day in the summer, but you got room for a king size bed, which is pretty awesome for a property that was built in the late 70s, early 80s. As well, we've got a 4-piece ensuite, which has had a nice little freshen up recently. And when we go out of here and turn the corner, you'll see a beautiful, fully renovated 4-piece bath.